Yo, 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 it's Late Ali, aka that Arab guy. Bringing you guys a quick video of me fixing the Samsung S6. I gotta admit, it was kind of difficult, man. Only the first part of me taking off the back cover took me 30 minutes. I had to measure the temperature of the back cover up to 60 degrees. It got so hot I had to use my t-shirt to hold the phone. Man, I struggled right here. But once I got in, it got pretty easy. I got the guitar pick inside. I go around, take off all the glue, and there we go. Open sesame. After that, I bring a magnet to collect all 13 screws that I had to remove. After that, once the back frame is off, I simply try the new screen before I completely attach it, and voila, it works. This next procedure was like a surgery, man. My hands were shaking while I was trying to remove the white strips off of the double-sided tapes. But once that's done, I stick back the new screen and put back all 13 screws, and the phone is as good as new. Hope you guys liked. Subscribe.